Metal ion detectors are chemical substances that undergo a color change in the presence of specific metal ions in a complexometric titration. They are also known as complexometric indicators or metallochromic indicators. They help to determine the endpoint of the titration by indicating when all the metal ions in the solution have been bound by a chelating agent, such as EDTA. Some examples of metal ion detectors are 1. Areochrome black T. It forms a red complex with calcium ions and a blue complex with magnesium ions. 2. Mureoxide. It forms a red-violet complex with calcium ions and a yellow complex with other metal ions. 3. Chalcone. It forms a red-violet complex with zinc ions and a blue complex with other metal ions. 4. Xylonol orange. It forms a red complex with iron ions and a yellow complex with other metal ions. 5. Ferroin. It forms a red complex with iron ions and a blue complex with other metal ions. The choice of the metal ion detector depends on the type of metal ion being titrated and the pH of the solution. The metal ion detector should have a clear and distinct color change at the endpoint and should not interfere with the complex formation between the metal ion and the chelating agent. The table below shows the minimum pH required for an effective titration of some metal ions using EDTA as the chelating agent.
Johnson Classes.
The best for best.